Alright, so in solving this question, we have 2x dot 2 to the power of 1, and we're going to move this to the side, so we have 3 to the power of 2x. So this is 2 to the power of x equals 3 to the power of 2x. We're going to divide both sides by 2 to the power of x. Okay, so we have something like this. Yeah, so we're going to wipe the top. So okay, so we are going to kind of factorize this x out. So we have something like this, 3 to the power of 2 over 2 to the power of x. Okay, so if we want to open this up, it will still be 3 to the power of 2x and 2 to the power of x, right? Now this is 2 equals 9 over 2, all to the power of x. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is 2 is equal to, this will give us 4.5 all to the power of x, yes? So we're going to take the log of both sides, but before we do that, let's just interchange this so that the value or the x or the letter we're looking for, or the variable we're looking for, will be on the left hand side. Okay, so we have 4.5 to the power of x equals 2. I'm going to say take log of both sides. Okay, so I'm going to wipe this top. So we have log 4.5 to the power of x and log 2. The rule states all the powers can always go behind the log. So we have x log 4.5 equals log 2. We're going to divide both sides by 4.5 because we are after finding the value for x. So log 4.5 all over log 4.5. So this cancels this, and we're left with x to be log 2 all over log 4.5. So at this point, you're going to need your calculator. So you're going to punch log 2, log 4.5 and divide it. And what we're going to realize is we're going to get something close to this, as we're going to get 0.46. Let's verify that. Okay, so that's correct. Our value for x is approximately 0.46. So we are going to substitute this value for x in the equation given to us, okay? So remember, this was how we used the equation as 2x plus 1 equals to 3 to the power of 2x. So if we should put this here, plus 1 equals 3, 2, 0.46. Now this will give us 2 to the power of 1.46 equals 3, and when we multiply this, we're going to have 0.92. Okay? Alright, so when you punch your calculator, 2 to the power of this will give us approximately 2.75. And if we do the same here, 3 to the power of 0.92 is going to give us the same value. So therefore, x is indeed equal to 0.46 for this given equation. So if you've watched this video to this very point and you've gained a lot of value, please do well to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that when next I upload another video, you will be notified. Thank you for joining this beautiful family, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.